What's going on YouTube? We got a different kind of video today. We got the MT in full form mode, form and function. Got a little rack on the back, little backpack, got the phone mount up there. Usually she's in wheelie mode, but we are about to do a little road trip today. We're going to Watch Hill, Rhode Island. From here it's about an hour and a half ride. We're about to bang it out. Going a little adventuring over the next today and tomorrow. Take you guys along. Figured I'd try something new. We're about to go check out this little island quick. Then we're gonna go get some snacks for the beach tomorrow, and then I think we're gonna pack it in. We got this little Airbnb, that's crazy. Good morning, day 2. Checking out the Airbnb. Got the bike loaded up. We're headed a nice little 30 minutes to Watch Hill, Rhode Island. We're gonna stop, get a bacon, egg, and cheese, coffee. Let's hit the road again. If you know where these bad boys came from. Interesting little joint, but we're about to finish the trek at like 10 more minutes. This whole thing is working pretty good. It kind of loosened up a little bit, but that's just the backpack. It's still on there pretty sturdy. Pretty happy with that. She's doing good. Unfortunately, my chin mount broke, so we're gonna be holding this thing the rest of the way. But nah, let's get on the last leg of the trip to the beach. Oh, beautiful. Mission complete. Made it to the beach. Spent a nice little 2 hours here. Jumped in. It's pretty cold. We're gonna go eat and we're gonna go hit the road back home to the compound. Just like that, we teleported back to the barn. The camera made it about a halfway back home. I decided what better way to finish this video off than riding the other bike I have. We're about to take this unit. Mike's gonna take his 25. And we're gonna finish this video up at Cowtown's local fair. They call it the Potato and Corn Fest. We're going to a buddy's house, go get some food. And that'll be it for this video. A lot of riding, 2 different bikes. Love it. Good old bike.